Since the pandemic, COVID-19, a lot of jobs and businesses have been compromised and people struggle to meet their daily needs. Fortunately, the internet provides opportunities for anyone willing to start and operate a business from home. So in this video, you will learn simple business startup, at-home tips to use, especially during quarantine. But before getting into it, please subscribe to this channel and tap the bell icon for regular updates. Thrift store. Do you have a pile of clothes you purged from your closet? If yes, then you can start an online thrift store. Today is the perfect time for you to create your own online store since people are so concerned about social distancing from malls, stores, and outlets. With your online store, your potential customers need not to worry about it. Also, you don't need to invest money because your supplies are in your closet. You just have to be creative with your marketing to make the sale. Remote fitness guru. Since people get bored in their houses, a lot of them might want to spend their time working out. If you are athletically blessed, you can cash in on the fitness craze by offering virtual classes to your clients. You can easily advertise your services through social media and use Zoom or other video conferencing platforms to provide real-time instructions to your clients. With this kind of business, you are also helping people stay healthy at home. Tutoring or teaching. With schools closing around the globe, people are looking to online classes to keep their children busy or to learn new skills for themselves. Online classes have never been more in high demand than now. Now, a lot of them are also web-based platforms that allow you to teach classes through video chats. Before offering an online class, think about what it is that you would like to teach. Make sure that you are not only an expert, but also very passionate about the topic so you can maintain good clientele. Designing and selling merch, otherwise known as merchandise. Do you have creative bones? Perhaps you could use some of that to design shirts and other merchandise. Several manufacturers allow you to design merchandise and sell it online while they handle all the manufacturing and shipping under your company's name. You can set up your business through Teespring that offers full white label solutions. In order to be successful, make sure that you understand your market niche so that you will not have a problem with marketing and sales. Social media manager. Do you spend a lot of your time browsing through your social media? Why not make money out of it? Almost every business gets on social media bandwagon to reach their customers directly without paying heavily for television, print, or radio advertisement. So business owners look for someone who can maintain and manage their business's social media accounts. You just have to help them grow their online following and expand their reach. So this is all for today. Feel free to share with us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And also, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.